The Netflix documentary Seaspiracy has been going viral worldwide, taking a deep plunge into the causes of the rapidly declining states of the ocean.
Directed by British filmmaker Ali Tabrizi, the film follows his journey as we discover the true costs of commercial fishing and what we stand to lose if we continue to allow this industry to run rampant across our blue planet.
Although the film has caused some controversy, it makes some very important points that everyone who cares about the planet should be aware of.
Have you watched the documentary yet? If not, here are some of the most important takeaways from the film which we have fact-checked. Claim 1. Microorganisms in the ocean absorb 4 times as much carbon dioxide than the Amazon. The ocean produces over 50% of the world's oxygen and stores 50 times more carbon dioxide than the atmosphere. It is crucial to humanity, absorbing over 90% of the heat that enters the atmosphere. Without the ocean, humans won't be able to exist on Earth. The more we damage and take from the ocean, the more we are harming its ability to sequester carbon. Claim 2. Commercial fishing is the greatest threat to marine life. Bottom trawling and commercial trawling practices is unsustainable and responsible for 95% of global ocean damage. Like a bulldozer in the ocean, the giant nets capture both target and non-target species. In fact, 300,000 whales and dolphins are killed each year as a result of bycatch. Sharks kill 12 people a year. Humans kill on average 11,000 to 30,000 sharks per hour. 50 million sharks are killed every year through bycatch alone, meaning they're accidentally killed while hunting other fish. Without sharks at the top of the food chain, the ocean's ecosystem won't be able to cope. In total, 100 million sharks are killed each year. Trawling is also destroying and flattening habitats so that it can no longer support life. In Seaspiracy, it was quoted that 3.9 billion of seafloor is destroyed by bottom trawling every year.
Claim 3. The fishing trade is plagued by slavery. Oftentimes, commercial farming involves forced labor, exploitation, abuse, and murder are all parts of the problem.
In fact, the film makes the claim that the people behind this are the same criminal groups behind drug trafficking and human trafficking. Claim 4. 46% of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is made up of fishing nets. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is 3 times the size of France, and the most polluted patch of the water on the planet. Discarded fishing line and ropes is a major threat to marine species.
Although the documentary has caused enormous debate, it has attracted global discussion and made many people aware of the importance of protecting our ocean.